Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because I went to Ulta yesterday and I picked out some new products that we're going to be playing with in today's video. I really liked a lot of the products. There's a couple that I was kind of iffy on and you'll see that in the video, but for the most part I really liked everything that I got. And we did use this Friendcation palette again since I didn't have for a while and I've been wanting to play with that blue color. So you'll see me struggle through it, but yes, if you want to see how I got this look, then you can just keep on watching. I am super excited for today's video because I just went to Ulta yesterday and bought some new products to try out. So that's what we're going to be doing today. A lot of it is Maybelline. So let me know if I should do a completely like Maybelline makeup tutorial or like drugstore tutorial using only Maybelline products, because I feel like other than like lashes, I pretty much have like something of everything that is Maybelline and maybe a setting spray. So I could do like mostly Maybelline products. Let me know if I should do that. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. I did want to quickly mention a new brow product that I used. Let me know if you want me to show it like in a video sometime. But I decided to try out the Maybelline Tattoo Studio pomade, brow pomade. I've used it 2 other times so far and I didn't love it, but today I feel like it looks better and I haven't even like cleaned up with concealer or anything. This one I feel like looks really good. This one could use some help. I feel like I still like a pencil better, but I'm just trying to try other things. So just wanted to quickly mention that. So we're gonna start with primer. I think I'm gonna use my Tarte primer today. I finally got my nails done. I hadn't had them done in like over 4 weeks, I don't think. They were looking a little sad. So nice to have fresh nails, and I just got baby boomers. They're so cute. For some reason I always want to call baby boomers boomerangs, and that's what I asked for yesterday. Okay, so now that we have primer on, I think we'll start off with the eyes. I finally got a new Friendcation palette that's not cracked, so it's very pretty and new. I really want to try out that blue color, so I think that's what I'm going to go for today. I also have my James Charles palette because I feel like I might need some other like transition shades and stuff. So first just going to go into this shade right here and just use that as my first transition shade just to kind of get some color going in there. Oh, it comes off a lot darker than it looks. Like it looks very cool toned, like taupey color almost. But it kind of comes off warmer, unless it's just because I have a little bit of product on this brush already, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, these shadows do blend out pretty nicely. So next, just going into this shade right here. It's called Churro. Then we're just going to take a little bit of Cheens, ever so slightly. I don't want it to be too dark. I forgot to prime. That sucks. Good thing I'm not going to be wearing this very long. And just with a clean brush, I'm going to go back into that first shade, Necessary, and just blend out the edges a little bit. So we're going to go in with some concealer and carve out the lid. So then I'm going to spray my brush and we're going to go into that beautiful blue shade and hope that this turns out better than my last attempt. It's called A Moment. And I'm just kind of packing in versus like swiping it on because it is a pressed pigment, I believe. And if you are kind of going back and forth too much, it's just going to take away like any of the shimmer and it's going to be more of a sheen, if that makes sense. Packing it on, you're going to get more of that, like, that chunky glitter that it has to it, which I think is really pretty. I feel like it's going on really pigmented on this eye. I'm gonna admit this is a very hard color to work with. I'm kind of struggling with it still. I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to blend the shades together and see if I can make it look better. Going in with jeans. And then with churro. Okay, so it's not terrible, but it's not the best. I'm just gonna take a clean brush real quick and do some final blending. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of basic, just highlight the brow bone. I'll go ahead and do some mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes real quick. For mascara, I just repurchased the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I love this stuff. I have a feeling this is gonna crease pretty fast since I didn't prime. So that's cool. I have some new face products to try out. The first thing I wanted to do, I wanted to go with a color corrector. I was watching Christina, I believe her handle is Christina X Makeup. I was watching one of her videos and it was like how to get, or like how to cover acne spots and stuff and without it being cakey. And the first thing she did was going with the LA Girl color corrector concealer. And so I'm going to try that today because I still have acne spots, especially around my chin and stuff, that typically you can kind of still see through even when I have like full coverage foundation. So that's what we're going to do first. I'm just going to take my little e.l.f. concealer brush. Or maybe I'm going to try my finger, see how that works. And obviously this isn't going to hide that I have bumps and stuff, but it'll at least not look like I have dark spots underneath. At least that's the goal. I haven't really worked much with the color correcting, so this is probably good for me. I hope this doesn't go terribly wrong. Okay, so then we're going to do my current favorite combo foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So I'm just going to go in first with a sponge, and then if I feel like I still need a little extra coverage, I'll go with the brush over my acne spots. It's still showing through. How did she do that? Like, this is not working. My acne is still showing through, like redness. Plus now I got like the green to cover up. Obviously I didn't do this right. I feel like it looks fine in the camera, but it's covered up pretty well now, but I definitely had to do a little extra. So I'm gonna have to mess around with that more and see if I can get the hang of it down. And we have a new concealer to use today. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer. I've heard really good things about it. I think it's supposed to be like another dupe for Tarte Shape Tape maybe. It's huge too, so this one's gonna last a while. The Makeup Revolution one definitely was pretty small, so you go through it pretty quick, but this one's nice and big. A couple more dollars, but not too bad. Just gonna blend that in with a beauty blender. Ooh, I like the finish. It's kind of nice and a little bit glowy. Or like dewy. Maybe dewy is a better word, not glowy, but... Ooh, that's pretty. I like this. It's a very full coverage, which I am a fan of. So as long as it doesn't like dry out or anything, we should be good. Because I do not want it to get all dry and crusty. So we're just going to quickly set under the eyes. I'm just going to dust a little bit underneath. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. So I also got the LA Girl concealer, or a different shade. This is a dark shade for contouring. trying to find what the name of the shade is. This is called Beautiful Bronze. So hopefully it's not too dark. I've seen people use this one a lot for cream contour, so that's what I want to use it for. Oh yeah, it blends out a lot lighter. As it's pretty dark at first, but it blends out. Yeah, it blends out nicely. I feel like it's a lot darker on camera than it does in person, but it's really nice. And we're gonna do a little on the chin. Or on the jawline. I think I like that. What are we thinking? I also have a new bronzer. This is the Maybelline City Bronze, or bronzer, and this is in the shade 200. I'm gonna go in with my Japanese brush and just pick up a little bit. I need this look to turn out really nice because I need to shoot some photos for a collaboration that I'm doing on my Instagram. So, if I could look at that'd be great. So then we're just going to go in with our Maybelline Fit Me powder again and bake the contour a little bit. And another Maybelline product, another new one. I finally picked up another Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Rose Gold. And I figured I should probably try this out because since I've been loving the one in Pillow Talk, which is more pinky, I thought I'd really like this one. So I'm excited to try this out. And the Maybelline, the Molten Gold shade is one of my all-time favorite highlighters, so I know I'm gonna love this one too. It's a little more pinky for sure than the Pillow Talk by Ofra, but it's pretty. I feel like you can actually kind of tell though that it's like rose gold. But ooh, my viewfinder looks amazing. I mean, it does in real life too, but like, it's kind of fun though. Ooh, a little rose gold moment. Okay, so I think I just need to do my lashes real quick, and then I will come back and we'll finish up with lips. Okay, so I got my lashes on. I really love these lashes. They are a little trickier to work with than like my Ardell Wispies, but these are the Ardell 3D Foam Ink, and they're just so pretty, and they kind of have like, they're a little bit spiky almost, but they're really pretty. I forgot I didn't do blush, so we're just gonna do that real quick. This is the Milani Baked Blush in Rose D'Oro. I haven't used this one in a while. And this is what it looks like, by the way. It's really pretty. A little more rosy pink than the Luminosa one, that's more corally. So now we just need to do our lower lash line and then finish up with the lips. I'm just gonna go in with a small brush and use those same shades. First, I'm gonna go in to just a kiss. Do that for my inner corner highlight. And then I'm just gonna go into those three more like transition shades that we used. And then just do a little mascara on the lower lash line. Okay, for lips, I do have a new lipstick, but I don't think I'm gonna use it because I tried it on last night and I think it's just a little too brown for this look maybe, so I kind of want to do something more nude. I'm gonna use a new lip liner though. This is the NYX Lip Liner Crayon Ever. It's kind of like a brownish tone, or it's more of a brick red actually. So I think I'm either gonna go into this L'Oreal JLO lipstick, which is kind of a pinky nude color. Let me see if I can swatch it for you. That's that right there. Or I have this other one. I believe this is Maybelline, and it's in the shade 540 Peach Buff. So just a little lighter. So I'm going with this one, the Maybelline one. I'm so indecisive. I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of the JLO one now. It's a little light. So this is I got this one from Morphe yesterday. This is the Morphe lipstick in the shade Honey. It's a little more brown. I'm just going to do a little bit to see if I can darken this up a bit. Yes, I think that's better. And we're just going to finish with some setting spray with our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright, so that is the finished look, or this is the finished look. This took me a while. I was struggling through a lot of it, but I am pretty happy with it, the finished look. It's not the most amazing thing I've ever created, but I do really like some of the new products. I really like the bronzer, the cream contour concealer, and the highlighter. Those are some of my favorites. I think I also really like the concealer too. I'm iffy on this. I'm gonna be real. I'm pretty iffy. I need to play with it a little bit more, see if I can work with it a little better. I'll let you guys know. But that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And hit that post notifications bell so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And be sure to check out the description box because I will have all my social media links down there as well as the products that I mentioned in today's video. And with that, I believe that's everything. I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!